It's better to be first than it is to be better. Now that might sound strange, but let me demonstrate the power of being first. Let me ask you a question. What's the name of the first person to fly solo across the North Atlantic? Not a trick question. You all know that's Charles Lindbergh, right? Charles Lindbergh. Now, what's the name of the second person to fly solo across the North Atlantic? Not too easy to answer, is it? Happens to be a man named Bert Hinkler. Bert was a better pilot. He flew faster. He consumed less fuel. But who's ever heard of Bert Hinkler? He left home, and his mother hasn't heard from him since. Come on, Bert, call home. Your mother's getting worried. How about this? What's the name of the first sea captain to make a voyage to America? Of course, that's Christopher Columbus. Everybody knows that. What's the name of the second? Who knows? Lost in history. The same thing is true of products. What's the largest cola? Coca-Cola. What's the first rent-a-car service? Hertz. What's the largest rent-a-car service? Hertz. What's the first tissue? Kleenex. What's the largest tissue? Kleenex. You see, the leader, the largest selling brand in virtually every category is Charles Lindbergh, the first. It's better to be first than it is to be better. What's the name of the first college founded in America? You're probably thinking there are 2,500 colleges and universities in America. How would I know who's first? But you do. You see, all you have to do is ask yourself who's the most famous. And of course, you have to admit, it's Harvard. Harvard was the first college founded in America. What's the name of the second? It's not Bert Hinkler University, no. It's William and Mary. Nice place, but not exactly in the same category as Harvard. What's the name of the first champagne? Dom Perignon. Dom Perignon is the Harvard of champagne. If you want to be a leader, if you want to be rich and famous and successful, it's better to be first than it is to be better. That's the law of leadership.